Hello friends, welcome back in my channel. We are going to learn about difference between gradually and eventually. So video is going to be very interesting. So let's get started. So firstly, let's talk about gradually. Gradually means a slow process that is systematically, that is continuously, and something happens step by step, little by little, that slowly but surely process. That's called gradually. So let's learn it more easily through some example. Let's look at the example. The first one is I'm learning new things gradually. Means to say I'm learning new things step by step, slowly. That's called gradually. Means the process is going on slowly. The action is not happening sudden, but action is happening slowly. So let's move on the next. The next one is I could not get time for my friend cause of I have lots of work to do. Gradually they will understand my problem. Now in this sentence I'm trying to say that I could not get time for my friends cause I have lots of work to do. Gradually they will understand my problem. Gradually they will understand me means to say they will understand me slowly, step by step, day by day they will understand me. Cause of my problem I could not talk to them. So let's move on the next. Her health is getting well gradually. Means to say her health is getting well gradually. Her health is getting well step by step, day by day. Day by day she is getting better. So let's move on the fourth. The fourth one is I have learned to live alone. Means to say just suppose I am living alone somewhere so far from my family and now I have learned to live alone. That's called gradually. Step by step, slowly I have learned to live alone. Let's move on the next example. Fifth one is they are trying to speak English gradually. Means to say they tried a lot but they could not speak, but they are trying to speak English gradually. Slowly they are trying, step by step they are learning to speak. So let's move on the next. The next one is we are uploading nice video content of English speaking language gradually. Means to say just suppose I'm uploading good content on my YouTube channel slowly. Step by step I'm uploading good content of video. So let's move on the next. So let's learn about eventually. Eventually means to say something that happens finally in the end, especially after lots of delay, after lots of rejection. If something is happened in the final, that's called eventually. After many problems or argument, something is happening in the end, that's called eventually. So let's understand it more easily through some example. Let's look at first example. The first one is eventually we both have got our books. Those we were looking for. Means to say we were looking for some books. Now at the final we got that. That's called eventually. At the final some action has done, that called eventually. Let's move on the next example. The second one is somehow I purchased laptop eventually. Means to say I faced many problems. Anyhow I wanted to purchase laptop. Now somehow I have purchased laptop eventually. At the final, at the end, I have purchased it. So let's move on the next. The next one is eventually they got prize for their good work. Means to say they did hard work or good work. Finally they got prize for that. So let's understand fourth one. The fourth one is I have shared my problem with my sir eventually. Means to say I wanted to share my problem with sir for many days, but I could not share because of some reason. But now I have shared eventually. Means to say, finally I have done that work. I have done that action. That's called eventually. That happens finally. So let's move on the fifth one. The fifth one is eventually she understood the situation. Means to say, she was not ready for understanding the situation, but now at the end, finally she ready to understand the situation. She understood the situation. So let's move on the last one. The sixth one is eventually her mother is ready to let her go outside of her house. And in this example, her mother was not ready to let her go outside of her house, but finally now it's happening that her mother is ready to let her go outside of her house. Finally means to say eventually her mother is ready to let her go outside of her house. So guys, please tell me how was the video, and if you like my video then please comment, share and like.